How's it going, PhonLab? It's Root Junkie here, and as you can see, this is another FRP bypass method. Now, this is a method I've not seen, so I figured I'd make a quick video for you guys to show you this escalation method. Now, this is currently on the ZTE device. This is ZTE ZMax Pro, I think. So once you're on the welcome screen, you just need to hold a couple fingers on here until you activate your talkback settings. So we're just going to let this happen. Sometimes tapping helps as well.
Talkback on. Accessibility tutorial.
There you go. So this does take a little bit to do. Double tap the exit button, okay? But talkback is still on. Sometimes you got to play with it. It takes some time. All right, so here, generally you can do talkback things by swiping down on like this. This is a standard thing you've probably seen. Bring up this. But we don't want to do that. We're going to use this other feature, and it's exactly the opposite. Instead of doing an L, we're going to do a backward L. Ready?
Language, English. Welcome.
If I can do it.
Overview.
There we go. Check that out. So now, hold your volume up and down at the same time.
Alert, suspend, talkback.
And we're going to suspend talkback by double tapping OK.
Talkback suspended.
Okay, now you don't have the annoying voices and the having to double tap to select things. So you can see we have all of our recent applications showing. This is pretty awesome, isn't it? So from here, what you want to do is you want to hit the search option. Okay, say no thanks. And then we're going to search for here. We can do a couple things. We could obviously go to Chrome, but first I want to just go in here and hit stock. Okay, we're going to search for stock because it's going to bring up stock Android, which is actually your launcher. And once you've done this, we can allow permissions as well and hit this. Now you're in the launcher interface. That's the beauty of using this method, okay? Now, the next thing I want to show you, and this is so that you can actually go ahead and get applications to install. So if you have Outlook on the device or any kind of security management, you probably need to do this same step. So we're going to go into settings. We're going to go to apps. Then we're going to come up here and we're going to say show system apps. And then we're going to scroll down here to lookout, wherever it is, lookout right there. And we're going to force stop and we're going to disable it. And that's going to allow you to do some things that this was blocking before. Also, we're going to come down here to settings, or setup wizard I should say, and we're going to force stop the setup wizard and hit OK as well. Alright, now just a quick note, because you have talkbacks on in the background, you have to go ahead and you have to double tap to go back, which is a little bit annoying, but that's just how you do to get back. Okay, so now from here we can launch whatever we need. The best thing to do is to just go into Chrome, and you can actually go just right to my website and we can download the application we're going to need to do this. So we're going to go to Chrome, not Chrome, we're in Chrome, what am I saying? We're going to go to Root Junkie. If you have these hosted somewhere else, I mean, whatever, it doesn't really matter where you go, as long as there's a place that you know they're hosted at. And then we're going to go to the FRP folder. And in here is this application, which you've seen in a lot of these FRP videos, which is this Moto G3 application. So say OK, say allow, say OK, and then when it gives you the option to open it down here, we're going to go ahead and open it up and see if it'll let me open. And it does let me go into downloads. So now we're going to come in here, click this. Click settings because we're blocked. We have unknown sources we need to check. So we'll turn that on. And then we're going to go back. And then we'll click it again. And then now we can install the test DPC, which again, you guys have seen this. This device is currently on Android 6.0. So you've seen this application. It works really simply. So we'll open it up and just finish the process. So setup, say OK. Yada yada yada, setting up this work profile, which is an FRP bypass method, and it's done. So you just reboot the device and you are good to go. So we'll go ahead and do reboot, and FRP will be completely removed on this current device. So that's the setup. I think it was just interesting. I did never seen somebody use talkback and do the reverse L. That was the main thing I wanted to share with you guys, along with the fact that if you force close things like lookout and anything that's like running as a device administrator, it's really going to help you be able to be allowed to do installs and maneuver more things on the device once you're into it. So just make sure you do some force stops. That's going to help you as well with Setup Wizard and the Outlook application. So you can see here when this thing finishes starting up, we're going to actually boot.
Talkback suspended.
Well, it's got TalkBack on. Hopefully, I think it's going to turn on as well. So I'm just going to show you that we're in it. We're going to have to not
TalkBack.
agree to this T-Mobile baloney.
We
Let
did
me
not complete your request right now.
let me just go ahead and show you guys how to turn back off TalkBack, because that's pretty annoying.
Apps.
Well, first thing you can do is this, because this will suspend it.
Alert suspend top. Play Store.
If I can do it.
Alert suspend. Okay, but TalkBack suspended.
All right, good. So we can skip this. All right, now we're going to get in here, and we have full access to this thing at this point. But we need to get TalkBack off because that's super annoying. So we're going to come in here. We're going to go down to Accessibilities. And then TalkBack's on. Currently, we're going to go ahead and switch it to off. Hit OK. And we're done. Everything's good. Now you can go right into the Play Store, and you'll be able to be allowed to sign into any Google account you prefer. And that's the process. See, sign into any Google account. So we are completed. So that's a cool process. I'm not sure if this works on other ZTE devices. I'm not sure if it works in Android 7.0 or 7.1. I'm going to be testing a little more. But if we can use this as the escalation method to get into settings on ZTE, I'm pretty happy about that. It's pretty cool. So there you go, guys. That's going to be this video. I hope you have enjoyed it here on the ZTE ZMax Pro. Stay tuned for more FRP videos, and we'll catch you guys in the next lesson. Root Junkie out.